Okay, I'm back. I just did my 3-minute 17-second lightning video. We got a good one at the... Ooh, yes! We got a good one at the end, so I ended it with only after 3 minutes. I wanted to end it on a high note. 3 minutes is long enough. But of course I'm not going to stop filming because there could be more. So I'm going to keep filming lightning. Because there's been quite a bit of lightning tonight. It's off in the distance, too far away. It's hard to get a good visual on it. There's trees over there, but I had to find a dark place to park so my camera didn't pick up street lights and business lights and stuff. It's a little bit open. I mean, it's an open area, but there's trees and the lightning is... The storm is kind of far in the distance, so... The lightning is getting really low behind the trees, so... It's kind of annoying. I don't know what way the storm's moving. I hope it's getting closer to us. Please tell me that got on the camera. Oh my God! Please. That's a good one. Yes! Exactly what I wanted. Okay, another 3 minutes, 17 seconds in another excellent video. Strike thing. Okay, I'm gonna stop this and try another one. Bye.